Well, hello, my name is Brett Hirsch. I'm an instructor for overnightaccountant.com, and I would like to introduce you to our basics training course on Form 1099 Miscellaneous. Now, this is a training package, and it is geared towards accounts payable staff, bookkeepers and their staff, accountants, and government payable departments. Those individuals that work for the government in the payable departments. So why is this course so important? The primary reason is the IRS and the Treasury Department know one fact, and they've known it for quite a while, and that is that small businesses and organizations are the largest cause of unpaid taxes in the United States. And why is that? Really one single reason they've drilled it down to: because they don't file their Form 1099 miscellaneouses. So how they decided to deal with this fact? They've increased penalties. They've increased them from a few years ago. Form 1099 miscellaneous was really an afterthought for most owners and organizations even, because the penalties were very small and seldom enforced. Those days are over. Right now, not filing a single 1099 miscellaneous when you're required to can cost your business, your clients, or your organization $1,000 for each Form 1099 that is not filed. Also, the IRS and Treasury Department, and actually Congress, decided to add to all business returns some questions that your boss, yourself, and your clients must now answer under penalty of perjury on their business returns. Those questions are basically, do you understand the rules with regard to Form 1099 miscellaneous? And second, did you decide to follow those rules? All returns. You have to understand Form 1099 miscellaneous. So who does your boss, who do your customers trust? They trust you. Who will they blame? If they fall out of compliance and are hit with these penalties, they'll blame you. So I want you to protect yourself, protect your business, protect your clients with this training course. Form 1099 miscellaneous, we're going to focus on rents and non-employee compensation. As I said earlier, and as this is, it's a training package for yourself and your employees. So what are you going to learn? What yourself and your staff are going to learn in this course? You're going to Form 1099 basic reporting, Form 1099 miscellaneous basic reporting for businesses, accounts payable departments, nonprofits and churches, and government organizations. You're going to learn what the forms are. You're going to learn why they're important. You're going to learn whether or not your organization has to file Form 1099 miscellaneous, or what organizations are required to, which pretty much everybody is, by the way. Most common business payments, we're going to focus on Box 1, rents, non-employee compensation, Box 7. You're going to learn what vendor information you need to complete the form, and then finally we'll go through step by step on how to complete the form and mail it to the proper authorities. So what do you get in the package? What's in the package? Well, you're going to get the training video. You're also going to get Form 1099 miscellaneous and Form W-9, as well as instructions to those forms. You're going to receive a follow-along workbook that allows yourself or your employees to follow along with the training video and answer specific important questions regarding Form 1099 miscellaneous. We're also going to provide you with the answers for that workbook, but we're also going to expound on those answers and give you more information than what's provided in the video by itself. You're also going to receive a test that follows the workbook. With my staff, we would have a lot of trainings, but I didn't know what they were actually learning. So I would actually create tests myself to see what they did learn and also keep them engaged. And these tests come with the package. And then finally, if they complete, you're going to increase morale of your staff, because you're going to give them a certificate of completion to show what they've learned if they successfully pass the test for the training. So what do you want? You want to be in compliance? Do you want to avoid costly penalties for both yourself and your clients? Do you want happy clients? Do you want to save your organization, whether it's a government or a nonprofit or a business for that matter, the headache and penalties of being in non-compliance? If so, provide the course, Form 1099's miscellaneous, rents, and non-employee compensation. Thank you for your time. As always, I'm Brett Hirsch, helping you to mind your business.